Hey friends, if you encounter the error, computer appears to be configured correctly but the device or the source is not responding, then I will give you one fix that will definitely fix it. So instead of managing the DNS and all and trying to figure out the root cause of the problem, there's a simple workaround and it will fix the problem forever. So press Windows plus R and then type ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on Wi-Fi, select properties, and then double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Select this option here which says use the following DNS server address. The preferred one is 8.8.8.8 and the alternate one is 8.8.4.4. Click on OK and on OK once again. Restart your computer and the problem is fixed. Now I'll tell you the reason it got fixed, because we changed the DNS to Google's own DNS. Google's DNS cannot go bad, so this means that your problem will not reoccur. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.